Oh, this is my bike, parked outside my room, 322. Gonna go get some breakfast now. Lots of bikes here. Today's the first day of the rally. Right there. It's Thursday. I expect to spend most of the day at the rally seeing the things that I want to see, and that's it. I wasn't planning on staying there tomorrow, so I might be doing my own thing tomorrow. This is a huge hotel. Lots of rooms all on the ground floor. Ideally designed for this kind of stuff. Motorcycles. Cool. Forgot to bring my shorts, swimming shorts, but oh well. There's Ron's SUV there. And apparently there's a really good breakfast inside there, so we'll go have some breakfast now. Vintage bikes. Oh, I'm gonna take some pictures here.